Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect TikTok to N8n. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged in to your N8n account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find your profile button. Click on it, and a new pop-up window will appear. From this menu, select Settings. Now, inside the Settings panel, you'll see an option called Community Nodes on the left side of the screen. Click on it, and another window will open up. Here, you'll need to give a suitable name to your NPM package. After entering the name, simply click on the checkmark icon to confirm. The package will now begin installing, which may take a few seconds. Once it's installed, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that the process was successful. Next, head back to the main dashboard. On the top right corner, click the plus icon to add a new node. A pop-up will appear on the right side of your screen. In the search bar, type TikTok and select TikTok trigger from the list. After that, click on the Add to Workflow button. You'll now be taken to a new page with the parameter settings. In this section, paste your TikTok URL where required, and then click the orange Execute button. If everything is done correctly, you'll see that your TikTok node has been successfully executed and is now connected within your workflow. And that's it. You've just connected TikTok to N8n. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy guides like this one.